Morning everyone, my name is Tanishq and I am in 10 plus 2 class in NDA batch. So as we all know, today we are all gathered here for a JD which is on city life versus village life, and I hope you will get a valuable knowledge from this. Thank you.
Cities has well-educated environment and developed infrastructure. People migrate to cities because of better job opportunities and stability and decent incomes, which is still a dream in villages.
Gentlemen, there is a village, Pontikodi, in Kerala. This village has a 100% literacy rate. Can you name any city which has 100% literacy rate?
No, there is no city who have 100% literacy rate. But yeah, there is average literacy rate of city. This is 80 to 90% average literacy rate of the every city.
I can give you one another example. There is a village, Potwali. It is a small village. In this village, every second child is an IITian. So many students are working in foreigns like United States of America, Canada, Dubai, Singapore, and so on. Can you name any city where every second child is an IITian?
You cannot judge this with a exception because there is no every second children have their own prospect to pursue their career in which field they want to go. In city, there are many things. There are many career options. You may go in sports because they have free sports facilities. You get free equipments. If you want to study, then you go in remaining things.
In the Olympics, the players who got medals, they are more from villages, not cities.
We cannot consider that many players are from villages, but also there are players which are from urban areas. This is not recognizable that only rural villages peoples are for gave medals in Olympics.
On today's social things, I want to say that on the gender equalities, women are treated less and they are given less rights in the villages, and they are not considered equal to the men's, and in some cases they can't show their all the talents and their all the kind of opportunities.
There is a more crime rate in cities than villages.
There is a village Malana in Himachal Pradesh. This is the village, first village democracy in the world.
Ma'am, there are more than 10 lakhs villages in the India. So on behalf of some villages, we can't say that the democratic rights or anything else. And as we see all over the cities, they are higher educated facilities, infrastructure, health related things.
Village environment is clean and clear with compared to the city.
But cities are also progressing, just like they are now using solar power, solar energy. You can say they are increasing agricultural area like yes, भूल गया।
और आपको आई कांटेक्ट जो है उसको नहीं खोना है। मतलब हो सकता है आप चीज़ को सोच रहे हो, लेकिन सोचते हुए भी अगले को नहीं पता होना चाहिए कि आप सोच रहे हो। मतलब बोर्ड को ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप सोच रहे हो, उसको ये होना चाहिए ये बता रहे हैं लेकिन कुछ थोड़ा सा उसको कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से ब्रीफ करना चाह रहे हैं। अगर आपने ऐसे इशारे ऐसे किए तो फिर ऊपर ऐसा देखा तो इसका मतलब सोच रहे हो, आपको आता नहीं है, मतलब आपके पास वो कंटेंट नहीं है तो ही सोच रहे हो ना आप। तो ये आपने ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है ना। जैसे कि स्पीच जो है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्लियर के साथ में साउंड चाहिए, प्रेशर चाहिए, उसको साउंड का प्रेशर आना चाहिए। तो आपको थोड़ा सा इसको ठीक करना है, साउंड का प्रेशर। बाकी आप दोनों अच्छा कर रहे हो, पूजा और मुस्कान अच्छा कर रहे हो। आप नहीं बात कर रहे, क्या बात है? हाँ ठीक है, आप इसको कैलकुलेट करो, फिर कपिल सर और प्रवीण सर इसको ब्रीफ करते हैं और फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट बेस्ट।